Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna share with you how to fix the microphone on your Google Meet. Why it doesn't work, everyone? Why does it doesn't work? So how can we fix it? Because of your laptop or because of your Google Meet? Let's check here. Okay your mic isn't working. Okay, dismiss. Okay, do you see the word dismiss? Dismiss. Okay, so how can you fix it? Okay, how can you fix it? Here you cannot. Do you see here? You cannot. It's the right point here that you cannot turn on. It cannot turn on. So let's go to the setting here. This one on your laptop. You type the word microphone. Okay, you type the word microphone, you will see you type the microphone, you will see here you choose turn off microphone access for all apps. Okay, for all apps, click this one and you will see here. Yes, you will see this one, change microphone to case and allows apps to access your microphone. Yes, you can turn on about this one. You will see it will work after you turn on. Okay, it will work. As you see here, a lot of stuff for app to access to your microphone. Okay, so this one. Okay, close this one. Okay, close this one. Close this one. It still it doesn't work. So you close about your Google Meet and then click the link and join it again. Okay, everyone, click the link and join it again. Okay, click the link, join it again. Okay, please wait. Okay, it is working now, so please wait, everyone. Camera is starting, getting ready. Please wait. Join now. Okay, ready to join. Okay, so you will see here your microphone. You can turn on, turn out. Okay, you can turn on, turn out. Now it works. Okay, now it works. Okay, when you speak, you will see this one here. When you speak, you will see this one here. Okay, can turn on, turn out. Yeah, turn on, turn off your microphone. It is the easy way that you can fix it. Okay, it's good. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching this videos. Yes, don't forget to share to your friend if they cannot fix this problem. Yeah, goodbye everyone.